We are studying chapter 10. Within this chapter 10, we had came to know about the various stages of different stages of development, and in this stage we had already came to know about infancy, childhood, adolescence. In adolescence, the age it begins from 13 years to till 19 years, and we had studied about social characteristics, emotional characteristics, mental characteristics. We had gone through these headings and we had came to know that how from age 13 to 19 all these things changes dramatically, and physically is also changing. Physique is also changing. Now we come to next heading, next level of our chapter, that is adolescents problem and their management. We had came to know the different characteristics. These are the characteristics. The different characteristics of this stage are stated below: physical character, emotional characters, mental characteristics. These are the characteristics of adolescents. Now we are going to discuss their problems and management. It is very important to understand the problem of a child during adolescence period or age, and how we can manage it. Meaning of adolescence: the word adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescere adolescere, which means to grow to maturity. That's why the age is from 13 to 19. In fact, it is a period of uncertain beginning and ending that cannot be dated exactly. But generally, it is considered that this period is the age of 13 to 19, as I had already discussed you. This age begins with change in our glands of internal secretion also. Not only physically, emotionally, but the glands of our body are secreting, or secretion is there, because we are changing. Physically we are changing. That's why you had seen mustaches or beard in boys when they are in 17 or 18 years. The physical appearance, you can see this is one of the secretion of glands, and various way they also grow. According to Stanley Hall has given a beautiful definition. Adolescence is a period of great stress and strain, storm and life. Stress, because many things are happening together. The child is already in stress and strain. Storms, because it thinks a lot, and strives. Problem of adolescence. Physical problem. First we see physical problem. During adolescence, many bodily or physical changes take place in both boys and girls. Development of sex gland take place. As a result of this change, adolescents feel restless and worried. Mental problem during this age: stress, tension are common because a child has to go many things, pass over many things. Lack of stability and adjustment. An adolescent does not have a complete stability and he and she face adjustment problems. Not only outside but cannot adjust in family also. So we have to take care of this part. As a child is growing, sometimes he is unable to share many things. But as we are grown up, we has also passed this stage, we came to know the many problems of adolescence. Emotional problems. The adolescent is full of emotions. Under the influence of such emotions, the problems of unhealed task, which means to be impossible in beginning. To start anything, to do anything right, he feels difficulty in doing or starting any work. Social problems. It has been observed that adolescents want to adopt their own ways. That is right. We choose, or young people they choose their own way. But society creates many hindrances in their paths. They revolt against social custom and tradition. As now we can see many things. Friends are important for this group. They share their views, knowledge, and experience, and hence sometimes the group spreading social dissatisfaction also. So these are few problems I had already told you, but today again I am telling you these are the problems of adolescence. And now we are going to study about how we can manage it, how we can solve it. It is clear that adolescence age is a stage of stress and tension, but up to some extent it depends upon the environment in which the person lives. So again we are in a family and in a society in which the child is grown up, the which way the child is growing up. Education for motor development. You know what is motor development? In physical education, we relate motor development with running, jumping. These are the motor skills. Moving hand. An adolescent should be provided education of motor development, should encourage to play various games and sports. Why we should encourage to play? Because we had already read that this stage is full of stress and tension. Physical education or sports and games make a way for them that they can enjoy their life and they can participate, they can mingle in a society and they can be away from stress and tension with the help of sports and games. Education of psychology. It is very important. Teacher and parents should have a basic knowledge of psychology. They should be able to understand the psychology of an adolescent. It is essential to sort out the problem and focus their management. That this is what we are reading about because many problems can be solved by adolescents themselves. And third one is to provide suitable environment. Adolescents should be provided suitable environment for a growth and development. Healthy environment, whether in a school, in a home, or in a village or a society where the child is growing up. There should be a healthy environment related to physical education, related to their culture, related to their family. Environment should be neat and clean. An adequate independence should be given to this age group because adolescents want freedom in every fact of life. They wish to express their views independently. They have many views. If they are unable to share their views, naturally they will be in stress. Social education. I am talking right now about society and various things. Social education. Social education is also important to adolescents as we know that social virtues are necessary to lead a social life. It is very important to have social virtues. These virtues should be taught through social education. That's why we worship God. We have different religion and we respect each of them and we take part in them. Our extent depends on society, but too much dependency is not good for leading a good life. So this is the management of adolescent problems.